Hey guys, what's up? And thanks for stopping by my channel, SimplyCrystalMichelle. And today I'm going to show you guys how I do the crochet version of the mini twist, passion twist, spring twist, whatever you want to call it. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow me on all my social media platforms so you're always in the loop. So to do the crochet method, what I personally like to do is braid two rows in the front, and then the rest of my hair is going to be cornrowed, and that's what I'm going to be mostly crocheting my hair on. And I'm just showing you my braid pattern. Yes, it's messy, it's a hot mess. Cornrowing is not, I wasn't gifted with that, but I like to do the crossover method at least in the center of my head, so as you guys can see, it crosses over there and on the other side, and then the rest of my hair just has cornrows going back. And I did do individual braids also at my nape as well, just so that way when you're looking all around my edges, all you're seeing is the individual twist, so it looks a lot more natural. So now I'm using the SheaMoisture conditioning gel, and I really like this because it keeps my hair nice and moisturized in between the twists, because the goal of this is to be a protective style. We don't want our hair to break off when we're taking it out. So pay attention to this part. I'm taking one spring twist and I'm stretching it out. Then I'm going to take another spring twist, stretch it out, and split it in half. If you want the size of my spring twist, you're going to take one half and the whole spring twist and overlap it. I know that may sound a little bit confusing, but I did go into more details in my previous video, which I will link down below and right there. So go ahead, pause this video, and check it out. Now, this is my first method for the crochet style, which is pretty much you're going to begin to braid the hair and then twist. And like I said before, this is my first method, and I recommend this for girls who maybe have thicker hair. I have fine hair, especially around my edges, so I have a different method that I do in the front to do my individual twists. But like I said before, I start off like a 3-strand braid, and then I go ahead and continue to twist. And as you guys can see, I am twisting towards my right. I know it's reversed if you're watching it, but I twist towards my right to get that kind of clean and neat, tight spring twist kind of look. And I'll show you guys what I mean by that a little bit later. And all you're going to do is twist all the way to the end. It's pretty simple, and like I said before, if you want more of a slow down, breakdown version, I will leave the link to my previous video down below, which shows you guys how I do the individual spring twists. So once again, I'm taking one spring twist that I fluffed out and then half of a spring twist that I ripped apart. I overlap it just a little bit, and then I begin to do a 3-strand braid, and then I begin to just twist. And like I said before, to get that neat, tight twist, I'm going to twist to my right. And don't forget to twist all the way to the end, and then pretty much twirl the hair around your fingers to activate the coil like you would with your own natural hair. And that's pretty much how you do your individual twists. You can always cornrow starting from your edges going back, but I like to do at least 2 rows of individual twists just to make my style look a lot more natural. And it's a lot easier to do 2 rows than your whole head. So now I'm going to show you guys how I do my crochet extra long spring mini twist, passion twist, whatever you want to call them. I literally get a wire hanger, and please use wire because you're going to unwrap the hanger in order to get your twist off. And then like I said before, I just twist to my right. No need to do the braiding method or a rope method or nothing like that. You literally just put the hair over the wire and just start twisting. It's super, super easy. It actually stays in place when you take the hair all off, so you don't have to worry about that. I'm going to show you guys again. See, I just put the hair over and then just begin to twist to my right. That's it. That's the secret. Nothing else to it. So if you don't want to spend all that money, buying twists at the beauty supply store, or, let's say they haven't made those crochet type of hair yet, I've been able to find extra long mini twists. You can do it yourself, and you can take your time. Took me a couple of days to make a couple of batches of hair, but it was super easy to do, and I really enjoyed the process. It's just like that. And then I untwist the hanger and I just pop them right off, and they don't unravel or anything like that. It was really, really simple and super easy. I got this hair off of Amazon. It was about $20 for 3 packs. But this is an example of you twisting to the left on my left hand side and then twisting to the right in my right hand. So the one on the left is a lot more textured to it and wavy, and the one to the right is a lot more neater. I do like that wavy bohemian look, but I wanted these twists to last for a while, so that's why I decided to do the tighter method. And then now all I'm gonna do is crochet onto my hair. I have so many crochet videos. I'll link it down below if this is your first time doing, crochet twist or braids in your hair. But you literally just put the needle underneath the cornrow, hook the loop onto the hatch, and then you just pull it through. And then all I do is take the end and pull it through the hole and then just tighten it. It's very, very simple. If you want more details on that, I'll also put a video down below. But like I said before, I take the loop, put it on the hook, pull it underneath the braid. Because these are crochet twists I made myself, you really do have to kind of wiggle your finger in to like loosen up the hole, like so. And then all I do is just take the end, pull it through the loop, and then I just tighten. And like I said before, I got this hair off of Amazon. I will link it down below. Compared to the other hair I used before in my previous video, while it's a lot cheaper, I got 3 packs for 20 bucks, which is super cheap. However, it is a little bit itchy and it is a little heavy. So this is method 2. For those of you who are my fine hair sisters, like me, fine edges, fine hair, I actually cornrow my box sections like so, to really make a neat, tight base so my hair won't loosen out. And then I actually crochet the hair on, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So first, all you're gonna do is pretend like you're cornrowing your hair, then it's gonna go into a box braid, and then I end up just kind of twisting the ends. There's no need to like do these mini box braids on your hair. That's gonna take forever to take out. And then what I do is I grab my crochet needle, put it underneath that cornrow that I just made, and then, yep, you got it. I literally just crochet the hair onto the individual cornrow box braids. And like I said before, you loosen the hole up, you pull it through and tighten like you would do on your regular cornrows. And then all I do is I follow how the twist is going, which I said before, I twist to my right. So now I'm taking the hair and I'm wrapping it towards the right in between the twists. Very easy, and you just keep going all the way to the end so your hair is fully incorporated and it doesn't unravel. My hair has been like this. I actually find this method a lot easier to take out. It took me hours the first time to take all of these spring twists out, versus with the crochet it's gonna take a couple seconds, and I'll also have the crochet braids left over so I can implement it back into my hair again. But like I said before, I kind of cornrow into like a box braid, take the crochet needle, pull it through, and then once I tighten it, all I do is now incorporate the hair into the twist. Very, very simple. This lasted a lot longer. My hair was coming out when I did like the individual braid and twist method, just because my hair is super, super fine, and also it was less tension on my hair. And I definitely recommend using hair to reinforce when you're doing this method, for those of you ladies who have really, really fine hair. And that's it. I showed you 2 methods of how to install crochet extra long spring mini twists. This definitely cut my time down in half, and also I get to save these twists and I get to use them again later. I actually really love this 1B, I believe 30 color. It kind of has that ombre look to it, and I'll leave all the information where you can purchase this hair down below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media platforms, especially Instagram at SimplyCrystalMichelle for all details. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!